Hey guys, Travis with Bigfoot Diaries here. So in this video I'm going to kind of cut directly to the chase. In this video I was out with my fiance and my brother out in the woods, and we heard what sounded like a bird. I swear it sounded just like a bird, but the thing is I have never ever heard anything like this since I've ever been out there, ever. Nothing of this, no bird that ever sounded like this during the day. This was very bizarre, so I'm going to play the sound and see what you guys think. Is this a Bigfoot imitating a bird to fool us?
Yeah, it's in closer. Can I please go?
You wanted to come down here and see this.
I do not have a gun.
You have a hatchet.
Machete.
Here, I will keep the light on like this, but that's probably a bird.
No, it sounded like a thump.
No.
Okay.
That's not a bird. Bird asleep. That's like a whistle.
What is that?
I don't want to know. Who is go?
It's like, listen.
I feel it's over here now.
Is your camera on? Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to be up front.
I'm trying to see if I can still see the eyes over.
It's moving. You hear the whistle moving?
Its eyes are up there.
Now it's already here to my right.
Are you sure that could be a bird?
It's because it's moving from location. It was moving.
I can't tell where it is.
Now it's on my right shoulder. It was on the left.
What?
Yeah.
That whistling. It's moving.
The one we're listening to?
Yes.
It's over there.
Behind me.
Are you sure?
No, no, I agree with Robert. I heard it over here.
It started over here.
Yeah, it started over here.
That's the exit.
Oh.
Now it's over here.
See, that's where I'm hearing it from.
No, it's over here on my right hand side. It started off this shoulder back that way.
Yeah, I agree.
It's in the distance, but it's moving.
Yeah, it is. The thing is I don't see the eyes over here anymore.
I think we should come back later.
As you can see, the sound is very interesting. We actually had a couple Sasquatch that were on the ridge in front of us, and you could see their eyes glowing, and we actually heard a couple other howls, which are screams or sounds, and I'll actually try to upload those sounds as well so you can hear them. But very bizarre. It was kind of circling around us. You could hear the sound go from here around. It was just crazy. But let me know what you think. Is this Bigfoot imitating a bird, or was it something else? It's just a very weird sound. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all later.